Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com. Up first, Justice Minister Delroy Chuck has suggested that a code of conduct be established for real estate developers as a solution to concerns about poor practices in the industry. Addressing the Jamaica Urban Developers Association Real Estate Forum on Thursday, he said there should be some standards that judge developers and hold them responsible. Sandy Williams has the details.
Alternatively, the municipal corporations could require a no objection letter from the Member of Parliament and or the councillors before providing any letter or approval authorizing the issuing of splinter titles. Such no objection letters should not be unduly withheld and could be overridden by the city engineer in appropriate cases to avoid any perception or reality of corruption. However, when things go wrong and roads and communities are destroyed and severely disrepaired, it is the councils and the MPs who are called upon to fix them and to do so promptly.
Now, he added that there should also be prompt continuous repairs to roads adjoining and leading up to the development, and on construction sites there should be minimum standards of behavior, noise, neighborly interaction and dislocation.